we are ready for the one homework that we have for this. And you might think only one homework, is that because it's easy? Well, it's because we really need to talk about the multicollinearity, which is coming in the next chapter. And some people might argue we should have done that first, but you can't talk about that unless you have complicated models. So let's do a homework that isn't an actual report. It isn't meant to be hard. Let's just make sure that you know how to run numerical interactions and how to explain them. So this is actually going to walk you through step by step run sleep based on all the other variables with plus signs. Don't put any interactions in. And then can you see why you should know there's an interaction? So now do temperature times humidity and then noise times age. And when we get to the quadratics, you've got to worry about the terms that are linear, the squared terms with the linear terms, so make sure you have all the pieces in there. Of course, if you did, for example, this guy, then you would get those two automatically. If you're comfortable with R, that's great. Do whatever makes sense so that you can make sure you have the right model. And then the residual plot should look good, except for one other term. And you'll know you have it right if you can match my F statistic. That's your goal, is to get to that model. And then you'll know that you've got the right model. And then let's draw the picture. You should be able to do the prediction equation, plot them, give it different colors, do the kind of thing I've just done in those last few videos with this data set. And then for each of those variables, give me a sentence or two saying, here's what's happening, so that I know that you know how to talk about it. And these are fairly complex models. You should feel really proud of yourself if you're able to explain them. And we need to cover multicollinearity, which is why we're not going to have more homeworks than this one. But after that, there's a wide range of things you're able to handle and that make you a valuable statistician. Are you cheating?
No, I raised it.